Alright, so we're going to see if we can do this without a lot of interruptions. It's new bike day, so I got a new bike. Don't tell my wife. This bike is different. Most of my bikes are. I'll just open it. Most of my bikes are road bikes, endurance bikes, gravel bikes, cross bikes. This is a mountain bike of sort. This is a purpose-built bike for having that big march, with a pump track and everything. But when you get a new bike, this is what you get. I'm not having a bike shop put this together for the simple fact that they're busy and I don't feel like waiting. I want to ride it this weekend. So let's take this down. This is a complicated, all right, here we go. It's a seat and seat post. Okay, there we go. There's a bike. Whoa. Okay, stay. All right, let's get some of these zip ties off. So, cut some of these zip ties off. There's a lot of them. This is packaged up pretty well too. Something in the spokes. Oh, that was a crank. One more here. These wire cutters. There we go. Here's the front wheel. I am by no means a bike mechanic in any way, shape, or form, so you can have fun laughing at me. Take this off. Got a front suspension fork. It's a box of goodies. Something. Alright. It's going to take a second to take all of this stuff off. A lot of cardboard and zip ties and all kinds of stuff. Handlebars. Alright, so before we scratch up the frame, let's go ahead and put the seat post in. This is different. Alright. So what is this, a 5mm? I have my trusty OC torque wrench here. There we go. Alright, let's put this on the stand properly. Alright, there we go. Get the rest of the packaging off. It looks like a bike. Handlebars. More stuff. There's rubber bands on this one. There we go. Lots and lots and lots of cable ties, padding and packaging. All right. Handlebars. Handlebars should go on. Grab the torque wrench again. Trash. What's in this box? What's in here? An owner's manual. Something, an owner's manual for the front fork. Hydraulic disc brakes. Here are the pedals. We need those. Reflectors. They actually provide Allen keys. Is this a bell? They put a bell in here. Nice. There's reflectors. What I do with reflectors is I don't keep them on the bike. I won't be riding this bike at night. Especially this one. Reflectors get put on little hooks and then they go on a special bike-only Christmas tree during the season. So, all right, let's get the handlebars on. So we are going to use theirs. A little bit easier to get this off. There we go. Take off the 4 bolts. I will say one thing. So far, this bike looks used. I mean, it looks new, but it looks like someone's already ridden this thing. I mean, obviously it's already been assembled, but I don't know. It's weird. Alright, handlebars. There's tape on the handlebars to help guide to the center, it looks like. So we use that. I don't put together mini bikes. Not straight out of the box, that's for damn sure. Put the bolts in. Handlebar should be somewhat like this. Okay. That one, this one. We'll jump to the torque wrench in just a second. Keep going around and around in a pattern. First crossing. Handlebars are on, seat post is on. We need a front wheel. It's quick release and through axle. That's interesting, I didn't know that. Tire. Take these things off. Those out of there. Goes this way. There's a thing in here for the brakes. You take out this little thing from the front brake. And it should slide right in. There. Again, this is not my spiel. This isn't something I do, so. All right. That's kind of cool. Front wheels in. And brake check. Brakes are rubbing, but I can fix that. Back is fine. Needs pedals. Pedal 1, pedal 2, that's it. That's a bike. A little more tape. There's a dink in the frame right here. I see that. This is an aluminum frame. It's called a dirt jumper. I'm not jumping anything, but it's a single speed front suspension. What is this? It's a magnet? Battery. It's taped to the top tube. What is this? I have no clue what this is. It's a couple of washers. 2 silver washers. We'll read the instructions later. We'll find out what it is. That's it. That's a bike. Straighten out the seat. Lower it to where it should be. That's it. I keep saying that's it, it's not it. There's more tape on the frame. No, there wasn't a dink, it was just it was residue from tape. There's more tape where they marked where the seat post was. So we'll take that off. That's it. So here's the new bike. Whoa. Don't know what else to say about it. I'm gonna take it outside and go ride it now. It's kind of cool. All right, that's it. Live on.